The microscope is assembled like this. The Panasonic's camera connected with the microscope. This is a telecommunication cable. This telecommunication cable is plugged onto the camera. The other end is plugged onto the image capture card on the AVE port. This one. And then use this USB, plug the USB key onto the USB port. Open the test software on PC. Turn on the microscope. And click video here. Click this to see the picture under the microscope. If there is some picture here, it means the camera is well connected with the PC. If no picture here, it means the camera is not well connected with the PC. You should check whether the camera is turned on or not, and the telecommunication cable is connected well or not. If they are all fine, but you cannot see any image on the test software, you should unplug the image capture card from PC and replug it again. Okay. Now we carry out the calibration. Click this one, and this magnification, you can see there are 5 magnification here, 4, 10, 20, 40. Place the stand scale onto the stage. There is a 1 meter scale on the glass plate. You can see on the picture. Adjust the stage to get a clear picture on the test software. If you can't see a clear picture, you can turn these 2 buttons to adjust the focus over the microscope. This called adjustment. This fine adjustments. Okay, now you get a new clear picture of the stand scale here under the 4 magnification objective. Now you click for here, and picture will be captured here. Now you draw a line along the stand scale. And input the actual length of the standard scale here. The length of the scale is 1 millimeter. That is 1,000 unit meter here. And you click the magnification here again to finish the calibration at the magnification of 4. But now the calibration at 4 magnification is finished. Now we carry out the calibration at the magnification of 10. Okay, now we change the objective to 10. and adjust the focus to get a clear picture. And then click the turn here. The same way to draw a line according to the scale. And input the actual length of the line curves. The space between adjacent lines is 10 unit minute. So that is 50, 100. So the actual length of this line covered is 450. Now you put the actual length here, 450, and click here. To finish the calibration at 10 magnification. The way to finish the calibration at 20 and 40 is the same as that for 10. After calibration, we just carry out the test. There are two test methods. Here is bleeding content. This one is fiber diameter. The bleeding content is used to measure the content of the specific fiber in the blendings of fibers. The fiber length is used to determine the diameter of the fiber. Okay, now we carried the blending content test here. Click the sample. You should input the operator name, sample number, the warp weight and weft weight. The warp weight and weft weight, when you cut a piece of fabric, you disassemble them into warp yarn or whipped yarn. You weight the warp yarn unbalance or weft yarn unbalance, you get the weight of the warp weight and the weft weight. If you want to measure the area of sectional area, just click this one, and this will change the area. Okay, now we just take the plane for example. Okay. After you input the test parameters, and then click test below the blending container. Now we'll enter this interface. On this interface, you click reduce. You click this button to reduce the fiber container. You click this button to increase the fiber container. And then you need to place the fiber samples under the microscope and adjust the focus to get a clear picture. When you get the clear picture of fibers, now you should click the fiber image library here. You can see there here there are so many different fibers in the library. At this moment, you need to compare the fibers in image with those in the library one by one. Okay, you can select the fiber type here, animals, artificial fibers, plants, and then you select the fibers here, fiber type, section, question, just cross, cotton. Okay. Now you change the picture in the library. Now you compare the image in the library with those in the picture that you got one by one. Cotton. One by one. If you found the picture in the library is similar with that in the picture that you got, you can think this one is cotton. Now you click the cotton here and draw a line across the fiber. The diameter of the fiber is measured, and the test of software count the number of the fiber cotton by one. Okay. Now we try another. Okay. This one. Cotton 2. Cotton 2. Oh, now this one maybe is not cotton. You think you compared the profile in the picture with that in the library. If they are similar, that means this fiber is cotton. So you click the cotton and draw a line across the fiber. The diameter is measured and the number of the cotton increased. Now this one may be another type of fiber, maybe is wool. So you select the fibers in the library here. Wool is animal's fiber. Wool. Okay. Now you compare the one by one with this one. Or maybe you can see this one is similar with this one. Now you think this one is wool, so you click the wool here and draw a line. The diameter is measured and the number of the wool increased. In this way, the number of specific fiber can be measured and the content can be automatically calculated. After test, you can click the report to check out the test result. Here you can see test results are displayed here. You save the Excel document in the PC, so you can set the test result to other people's. Okay. Now we carried the fiber diameter test. Okay. Now click the test here. We select the magnification of the objectives here, and this should be same as that the objective length used on the microscope. If you use the full magnification objective length for observation, so you should click the 4 here. Now we use is for magnification, so we use the 4 here. Now here input the operator name. This input the sample's name, input the sample's number. Okay. The way to get a clear picture of the fiber is the same as that for the blending container. Okay. Now at this moment, if you want to measure the diameter, you just click left click the image. The image is become static, and then you draw a line across the fiber. The diameter is here. Okay. Okay. If you want to see the test result, just click report here, and test the result will display in the is also stored in the Excel too. Okay, that's all.